Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. Let me just go straight to the style. And my bias for the week is simple. Put this on the 4 hours time frame. If price comes back for any reason and breaks through 125.90, 125.80 region, we test this region, we could see price come all the way to 127.50 and possibly come all the way to 130 depending on the volatility. But my major bias for the week is Pound USD being bearish. Reason is we could see an inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. Over here we could see one, and here we could see two. Hence inverse head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. So going forward, I'm anticipating price to break through the level of 124.65, retest it, and we could see price come all the way to 123, 123.20 region, possibly one more time. So going forward for London session, we're currently about 3 minutes away from London session. Two things I'm anticipating: we could see price just come to retest this region one more time, a touch of this trend line for the third time, and we could see the push that we need to break this region, retest it, and we'll see price come all the way to 123.30, 123.20 region. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how Pound USD will play out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. And yeah, I took two losses yesterday on Pound USD trying to sell. First, I took the first sell around this region. Let me slide to the 15 minutes time frame so you can see clearly. After this retracement right here, I decided to take a sell around this region, which my stops right above here, and you can see price took me out. And then I also waited, and price did this, came back around this region. I entered, went into profit, came back again to break even. The lesson learned on this trade is after this second touch of this price coming back to my entry, I would have broke even, because that is when I actually got taken out one more time. So basically, at the beginning of the week, I was actually trying to catch the price early. At the beginning of the week, not really, because I actually anticipated that if price breaks through this region, a retest of this region, and we'll go for sales. And that's exactly, I was following my plans. Alright, but looking at forward, something happened. If you look at the larger time frame perspective over here on the daily time frame, you could see that this might probably be an inverse head and shoulder pattern on the bigger time frame. On the bigger time frame here, as you can see. So if we're having an inverse head and shoulder pattern on the larger time frame and a head and shoulder on the smaller time frame, 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, which one would be the highest to go for? I think it's the larger time frame on the daily. So there's a possibility of price still going over to 130 like anticipated in the previous week. And actually on Monday, when I was tracking this pair, I said I'm having two bias. There's a possibility of price coming back to break through 126.00 and give us a head push for the week, going all the way up to what? To 127, 127.50, right? So basically this was more like a fake out, and going forward now I'll be seeing what will happen during the London session today. We could actually just see more like a rejection here, but I'll be confident to buy when price breaks more into this region of 126, a retest of it, breaking over through all these weeks, and we'll see price go up. Alright, but for sales, I'll only sell when price breaks back through this region one more time. Otherwise there'll be no trade for the week. I'll see you guys on Friday, and hopefully let's see if we catch some pips on Pound USD. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. I'm not happy, man. I'm not freaking happy. Listen, okay, so I waited for this fucking drop right now. I waited for it for how many days? I waited for Monday. I didn't get it. Tuesday I could have entered, but it happened around New York session. I stopped trading at 12:00 time. That's basically like around this period I don't trade, so I missed it. Then I waited for this perfect entry here yesterday, and listen, look at what happened. look at what fucking up. Like, God, what is this? Forget about I have 6 RR, but my anticipation was to close partials and let the rest run, because I anticipated this at the beginning of the week. If you look at this plate now, you see that I anticipated this at the end of at the beginning of the week. Yeah, break reaches and we'll push the price down. So I feel so sad right now, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. Just took me out 6 pips, bro. 6 pips. Whew. Stop loss at 25.50. It took me out at 20 and at what's it called, at 25.58, and yeah, 6 pips actually, and that was it. We learn, and that's it. The best thing I would have done is to re-enter, and I also missed this entry. And that was it. It is what it is. I'll see you guys next week. For now, price played out beautifully for this week, but I didn't catch it, and it's quite sad. It's part of the game. I'll see you guys next week, and let's go. Ciao.